box actually hurts.
That is the smell of human feet.
There's a thing there. There's a thing there. Okay. Ow! Fuck! Fuck! Bitch.
So,
How about you get us up there? You know? Just saying.
how the...
You put a
Oh.
portal there.
Okay.
Oh fuck! 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 Fuck!
That's not the way.
That was totally the way. You're a douche. Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Oh wait, I see it. I see it. Okay. Ow. Put one there. And one up there. Not the same one, but a different. Put a different one. Oh, what is that? What is it? Blue? Okay, move. I'm gonna do something. Fuck! I hit the wrong one. I fucking missed. I fucking missed. Get over here. Look, I tried so hard. Okay. Maybe if I just keep doing this. Okay. Or what if we put one? I don't know.
Maybe it needs to be lower.
Okay.
Put it lower.
You can't go any lower.
Okay.
Just. Okay.
Now get over here, where I am, and then fire the portal. And then try it so that we won't freaking die.
No, wait, wait, no, wait, wait. Go through it. Wait, wait, don't go, wait. Wait till I tell you. Go. Okay, that didn't work.
Did you know the reassembly machine has other things it could be reassembling?
Do you get what I'm trying to do?
No, not at all.
Look, there's a thing there where you can launch off of this. If we can get you there. But we only have 4 portals and we have to have the light bridge. So I put one there. One there. You wait. Oh, fuck, damn it. It's gonna come back over here. Okay, go now. Do it again. Just bounce on it. Again. Oh wait, no. Just bounce on it again. Bounce on it. Ah! Ow!
Testing can continue.
All you have to do is be able to bounce on it.
I couldn't find it.
So figure out a way up there, and then I'll launch you. Figure out a way up there, and I'll launch you, and I'll be over here. This will work. Bounce on it. Go. Oh, you hit him. You got it.
I get him.
That worked. I knew it would work. I want it. Oh, fuck you.
Oh my god! Just go! He's off. Yeah, he's off.
Oh, he's off. Damn it.
No, bitch, fuck you. No!
Fuck.
Poor guy.
He's a douche. Oh, look, there's more of them. Doesn't matter. Oh my god. As soon as they had turrets, shit gets real.
It's the same exact levels over and over.
Okay, the light bridge doesn't take him out. I thought it did, but it doesn't.
There, that worked.
Oh my god.
What does Ben do? This button accomplished nothing! This button accomplished nothing.
What?
That button accomplished nothing. Step off the button.
It opened that thing back there.
Bitch!
What the fuck are we really supposed to be
I
doing?
figured it out!
What was it?
Come step on this button. Damn it! Raise the blue thing! Raise it! There. Okay.
I can hear you breathing. It's like a thunderstorm.
Come step on the button.
Okay. I'm stepping on it. They're shooting you. I want to go over there. What did that do? Whoa. What the f... That's great. Put your red one there. Put your red one there on that wall. On that wall, put your red one. Red one. Red one. Oh shit, I should catch one. Do it again.
Fuck, I was pressing D.
Fuck. Oh, they pushed me. Douchebag block. Ow. Stop it. I'm tired of this. Do it again.
That
No,
works.
again. Damn it. Again. Dude, I can hear you breathing. Now get me over
What do I
there.
now?
Oh, wait. I need a thing.
Dude, I don't even know how I got over here.
I need. Oh fuck! That pushed me.
Congratulations. I am sure if I had the time to repair these tests,
Those 3 people
would
that
have
are gonna
never
watch this are
completed
gonna be
them.
like, "What the fuck
So
are you
again,
doing?"
Congratulations on completing the broken, easy tests. I am going to risk having you go outside.